Hello to all of you. Welcome to James Marketing Software. Today I will guide you using automated software. Help us manage unlimited TikTok accounts. And we will use these TikTok accounts AutoGo posting videos. The goal is that we have to create satellite channels, post viral videos to attract customers, and navigate to our main channels. This is the interface. Software, manage unlimited TikTok accounts. As you can see, I have a total of 329 accounts. TikTok accounts. This is like a normal TikTok account. And now I'm going to get to the part. Posting the videos automatically on a bunch of these accounts. We'll go to viral marketing first, and then go to the video post. In addition, we can post videos of affiliate, up top or share, comment, follow, and so on, even message. Now I'm going to set up some basic configurations. The first is the number of threads. That means the number of TikTok accounts running at the same time. I will demo 10 accounts. I will post 1 to 2 videos per account. Next, we'll choose the videos. Let me post it. I will choose a folder that I have. These folders. I chose the folder. As you can see, this is the folder that I chose. This folder is that I used MKT Viral Software, automatic video download scanning software, to download thousands of videos, and I'll post it automatically on a TikTok. After choosing the video, I have maybe there are descriptions. It'll always have descriptions here. There, and now I'm going to go in. You can also change the description according to the needs by changing the description in the available file. After the videos, I'm going to setting up. Another example is the waiting time. Upload. This depends on the network speed. Next, we can add hashtags. And maybe tag videos from the main channel, but I won't let. And here we can also be more the music I want. It can also be an interaction after a post. And finally, I'll just have to choose the accounts. Let me post it. I will be posting to all these accounts. And now just press. The software will start automatically for us. If you have a need for software, please contact me directly. My phone number is on the screen. Bye.